Now let's have a look at undo and the redo functions in Excel. This will help you to repeat functions or to undo certain steps that you've made in Excel. Let's take this example, let's go across here and let's highlight this in yellow. Now if we want to repeat this for the next box, we don't have to go back up here, we simply press F4. That can repeat the last action. Now if you happen to make this, let's say Ctrl B, make it bold, and then you go down to the next, you press F4, it's only going to make it bold. It's not going to repeat the yellow function. So here we want to make sure that we have only the last action repeated. Now if you want to undo what you've done, it's just a Ctrl Z to undo the last action, Ctrl Z, so you can see that step by step everything gets removed. Let's try this once again. Now let's go to the yellow and we go down and press F4 and F4 here. So say that we've just highlighting our data as we were talking to someone, or we wanted to have a look at a particular field. Now we want to go back and remove all the yellow. So if we highlight this and then copy or format painter, that's not going to work because we don't want the yellow in any of the cells. So the way to do it is step by step. You could press Ctrl Z. However, there is a function right up here. It's always on your quick access toolbar. If you can't see these arrows, you simply click on this. You can customize and make sure the undo and redo are shown here. You can go and click onto the right arrow. If you press it once, it will undo only once. But if you step that, you can actually see all the actions that you've done in the past. It records everything. So we want to undo all the last 8 actions. If we click on that, we've undone all of the actions that we wanted to remove.